Hello friends, once again welcome. Today we are going to talk about uh, how to declare a variable in C language. So it's very simple. So to understand actually how to declare variables in that C language, first of all let's open our this code blocks. So let's open new file. So either we can open from here or we can open from here new and empty file. So either method we can apply. So let's click new file, empty file. So let's go for coding here. So I'm writing here. So I'm going to save it. Let's save it. I'm going to save on desktop. So in previous video, actually, I had requested that actually while saving, we must give here an extension .c, otherwise it will not recognize. So I'm writing declare.c, save. So now we can see here. So obviously this part is comment line. This part is comment line. We have answered that from previous video. Uh, we can write in single line or we can write in multi-line. It's okay. Once again, this is our header file, preprocessor directive. Here is main function. Now suppose we are going to declare one variable and that variable is simply a, suppose. Then how we write that? We write in this way, int a. So this part I'm just writing comment for this. So this is called declaration. Declaration means we can say that it is just notification of variables you are going to use to your computer that reserve some memory, reserve some space in the memory of computer. So that is called declaration. It means we use, before we use any variable in our program, it must be declared. Means it must occupy some space in our memory, and that booking of space in our memory, that is done by this declaration. And to declare any variable, like I have declared a xyz, we can put here. So to declare that, what we can do, first of all we have to write data type. This int it is data type. Int stands for integer and a is a variable. Variable means its value changes in our program. Int stands for integer. If we write integer, it means this a, it will accept one integer value. Similarly, instead of integer, this int, we can also write float, float, like I'm just giving one example here, float b. So if we write this, then it will store fractional value. This first declaration, it will not store floating value, that is fractional value, because it stands for integer. Whereas in second declaration, we can see here it is float float. It means we can enter fractional value for this b. But if we enter fractional value for this a, then it will not accept that. So this is how we declare it. As we declare this a and b, then what happens after running this program, computer allocates some space in its memory, and after that it goes for further process. So it is very simple to understand what is declaration and how we declare particular variable. Similarly, if we have multiple variables of same type, like suppose we have a1, so we can simply separate it by putting comma here. If we don't put comma, then it will be wrong. We must put comma here, or we can also do multi-line int a1. So this is how we can declare multiple integer variables. Another way is here, we can also do in this way, comma we can put here, and after that put the a1 in next line, put the a in first line, and the next variable in second line. So this is also a way to declare our variable. But mostly what we do, we put the variables we are going to have same type in same line, like this. So in this way, we can declare variables and we can reserve some space in its memory before we go for further inputs, outputs, processing, etc. So hope guys you understood meaning of declaration and how we declare in our C program, and it will be quite useful in upcoming programs. So till then, just wait for the next video, and take care and stay positive. Thank you.